Dr. Zinia Jannat Ananna. I'm a recent graduate from Dhaka Medical College, batch K75. After completing my MBBS, I completed my internship from the same institute, and then I passed my FCPS Part 1 in urology. And currently I'm continuing my FCPS Part 2 training at Dhaka Medical College Hospital, and I completed my MRCS from the Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh. And I started my journey with excellence through their hands-on course, which was held in last year before my exam in August, KL. So when I got enrolled in the course, I initially heard that their textbooks and other study materials are also very helpful, and I got to experience it firsthand when I enrolled in the course. And basically the 3-day hands-on course was a testament to their commitment to excellence, because the course was very helpful and I could complete my hands-on preparation for the OSCE part, both communication, history taking, as well as the procedure station, and I gained the confidence to pass my exam at first go. And I would like to thank Dr. Nahid Hassan Rifat Bhai and Dr. Hasnat Hakim Bhai for their continuous support throughout my exam process. So I think whoever is planning to apply for the MRCS Part B in the upcoming days, they can definitely try their course, the study materials as well, and not to mention the hands-on, which is very to the point, specific and tailored to the exam situation, so that it makes you confident for your final exam. Thank you so much.